Okay, so what is up everyone, this is Karan here. Welcome back to Tech Karan YouTube channel. CyberPunk 2077, a Xiaomi theme is now available on the theme store, so you don't require any kind of root access. This is not an MTZ file. You can simply search it on the Google Play Store. It's absolutely free and everyone can install it. If you're using Xiaomi device, Redmi device, Poco device, it's almost actually looking like real Cyberpunk. It's quite great. You can install it on your other devices also, Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco. Doesn't matter if you're using MIUI 12, if you're using MIUI 12.5, you can still install this. As you can see, almost every icon is themed here. It's looking like that you are using Oxygen OS Cyberpunk edition. It's actually quite good. Even the widget is actually themed here. Status bar icons, everything is actually looking quite impressive. And as I previously told you, it doesn't require any kind of root access, doesn't require any kind of third-party themes. It has the MTZ file options available here for two, but you can install it if you want to. You can also try it from the theme store. It's just up to you. As I previously mentioned you, it includes all those interesting things, all those Oxygen OS icons. Even though if you move on to the settings, you will see the MIUI logo is changed to the Cyberpunk 2077 logo here. About phone is looking actually quite good. The header options are looking quite good here. Settings icons are themed here, and of course it should be used in the dark mode. And also the switches etc seems to be actually changed here and working just quite good. Settings has all those icons with the yellowish colors and you can use it. It looks quite good and impressive, and it has a very big kind of text. As you already saw, I have the quick settings applied. So if I apply the control center, this is how the control center is looking like, which has a yellowish kind of look options available there. And if you don't like this, as I didn't like that much, this is why I'm using the normal MIUI 11 quick settings, as these are actually looking quite good. So it's better to use this and use this theme, or you can customize this theme very easily by moving into settings. It's just up to you. And as I previously told you, it's available on the theme store. So this is one of the positive things about this theme. And also the volume panel etc is themed here too. As you can see, every icon, every color is almost themed and changed. This theme is actually quite good. I have a Cyberpunk theme related video already available on my Hindi channel, so if you haven't checked it out, so you can give it a try. That theme is actually quite good, but that is not available on the Google Play Store. This is why this theme still exists, and it is actually quite good in the terms of a lot of things. The lock screen seems to be quite interesting. It has this kind of fingerprint animation which looks actually quite good, so it is good. We have this kind of options available, which is of course not working. It's not for the devices which don't have this option, but the animation still seems to be good. You don't need to swipe up to unlock and swipe right to unlock or like that. You just need to hold there. We have the music related widget options available. Does not include any kind of extra settings, but these options are actually quite good. As you can see, let me just show you that what is the name of the theme. As I previously mentioned you, it is the Cyberpunk 2077. You can find it on the theme store very easily. This is all from today's short and simple video. Cyberpunk 2077 43 MB theme is available on the theme store and alongside with the MTZ file. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.